happy Mansari, happy 52 Mansari to be exact. And I'm so happy because we came to that point, and I know we're a lot of years ahead being together. And I just want to say thank you for everything you've done for me. Thank you for always extending your patience just to understand me. Thank you for loving me very much. And sorry if sometimes I'm being moody. Sometimes I'm sorry for the misunderstanding sometimes. And I love you very much. And you know naman I always will. I missed you hard. And I want you to know na even we're apart right now, nothing changed. You're always occupied my mind and my heart. I love you and happy Mansari. I have a song for you and it's only I dedicate it only for you. Hope you like it. And when I hold you in my arms, I promise you gonna feel the love that beautiful and new. This time I'll love you even better that I never did before, and you will in my heart forevermore. We were just both young to know we fell in love and let it go. So easy to say the world goodbye, so hard to let this feeling dies. I know how much I need you now. The time is turning back somehow. As soon as our heart and soul unite, I know for sure we'll get this feelings right. And now we're starting over again. It's not the easiest thing to do. I'm feeling inside again. Every time I look at you, I know we're starting over again. This time I'll leave all the pain away. Welcome home, my lovers and friends. We are starting over again. We are starting over again. We are starting over again. I have one more song for you. Nang minsan ay naranasan ko ang mag-isa, pilit ko na nilimot ang tulad niya. Dati ay mahal na mahal. Nakita ka at nasabi kong ikaw ang nga ang hinahanap at dinarasal na makapiling ko. Ngayon'y naririto, isang katulad mo na sa'kin ay nagmamahal ng buong tapat. Nangakong akin lamang pag-ibig na wakas ang siyang naramdaman. Yan ay nagmumula sa'yo. Mansity, I love you, sweetheart.